Alright, I have here in this box one of those so-called rare items or rare models. So I'm going to unbox it right here on this video. So allow me to share my thoughts or the video. Here it is, my address right there. So anyways, I got this yesterday in the mail. So we are unboxing this rare item, call it rare item, but anyways, it's not so rare. I mean, I just found it. Of course, it's going to be a little expensive, and I had no clue these models could be expensive over the time. But you can find this online either way, eBay, also on Facebook or yard sale, garage sales. So let me show you the model right here. We're gonna unbox the model right there, and more inside. So here it is, this BERTRAM model engine right there. You can see it. Let me put it closer so you can take a closer look. It's not that bad being so old model, some scuffs, marks, but it's great. It's 2009 Hit Toy Company model right there, BERTRAM. Now let's take a look at the tender. Since these are stickers, I have no idea if it's in good condition or no. And voila, it's looking good. It looks really good. It's not bad. It's actually really good stickers. What do you guys think? I think it's a really nice find. Since these models are on eBay right now, there's only one listing for $125, I think. I'll put it on the video, but there it is. So this rare, call it rare item. I just find it online, and you can find this on Facebook or Craigslist or other web page, online stores. So oh look, I just opened it. Okay, let me change the camera, and right there it's really clean battery compartment. Now I don't know if it's going to be noisy, so the seller didn't point it out anything about noisy, or he only said it was working, and it is working. Excellent. Now I'm going to change the gear because my opinion, I don't like to hear that noise. But I will change the gear. Kind of a little noisy. So there it is, our BERTRAM. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the gear right here. I'm going to do a quick video. I hope I can get it done really quick. Alright, here is what I found. The problem was this worm gear. Actually the other end, this gear right here, makes a lot of noise on the model, and I also replaced the electric motor gear, and it might sound a little quiet, but it's not. So what I did is I got this other worm gear. As you can see, it's a little bit wider. Let me see if you can see right there. This one right here, it's a wide gear, and this one is thin. So this one works much better with this model. And look at this. It's a little bit better. Now, if I assemble this gearbox with this gear, it's going to amplify the sound, and it will sound worse as it was previously. So I'm just going to go ahead and assemble everything, and so I don't get too bored, and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so I finished fixing this BERTRAM. Still a little noisy. Here's the thing, I like to make it quiet, perfect quiet, but I need to find another gear. So it might sound quiet for you, but I don't like I definitely like it quiet model. So I'm gonna change the gear for this BERTRAM. I gotta find another one. I think I know where I find some. So I did a little cleaning on this model and it looks a little bit more now. So here is the model that I hear in the comments section. It's a rare model. So if you see the rare model, I just gonna put it for sale anyways, because I do not collect or anything like that. I always, you guys remember, buy and sell these models. So there it is, BERTRAM. If you see the community tab, I always put this model for sale. So, well, I hope you guys like this video today, and that's it for today. And I'll see you next time. Bye.